Are you looking for a fantastic comforter set? Well, I am, and I got this for my son. He already doesn't sleep with a top sheet, and I'm tired of dealing with comforter covers. I'd rather just wash the whole comforter when I need to, and so I wanted to get him a beautiful comforter all on its own. Let's open this up. Now it obviously comes vacuum sealed, and it feels really, really nice. And even though I plan to use this as a standalone comforter, you can always cover this. So in the future, or if this gets stained, you can just put a duvet cover over it. But it itself is designed to be washed and used over and over again and last. Let's look at it close up. The company is in Minnesota and has a really good cause, which makes me feel even better about getting this. I love this royal blue color. It's gorgeous, and it comes with these two pillow shams. The pillowcase feels so soft, and when you look at the stitching, it's really nice and clean throughout on the exterior. Now when I flip it inside out, it's also quite clean. You can see that there are some extra threads in here, but they're not actually connected, they're just not trimmed out. And for care, these are just wash and dry, but cold, gentle, tumble dry low. Now let's look at the duvet itself. Very clean. You can see that it's double stitched throughout. There's the section where the stitching is super stitched. You can see it right there on each corner. But it has all the boxes with the alternative down fill in them. And these will puff up over time as it just came out, but they already feel really soft and inviting and really feel puffy throughout each one. They don't feel like there's a little puff ball in one corner of the square. And in just the time I've spent looking at this, it's already poofed up quite a bit. It is exactly what I wanted. It's beautiful, it's easy to wash, and it's super soft. My son's gonna be thrilled, and I am too. The Bear Comforter Set.